Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to append multiple columns into one column in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software and also open Microsoft Sheet. Now you can see here are my sheet. Now I append one column into multiple column. You can see here are my on column. Select this column and click this merge and center drop down menu and click unmerge cell. Now you can see I append multiple columns into one columns in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.